Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Ford's 2004 to 08 F150. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Hold the part up to the frame and mark out your cut zone. Begin cutting away the frame while leaving enough material behind to weld back onto. Avoid damaging the nearby crossmember. Step 3. Using a jack, lift the part onto the frame and into place. Step 4. Weld the part to the frame while being careful not to damage the nearby crossmember, wires, and lines. Coat the part with a primer to protect it, and you're done.